Done at last, done at last. Well, we've got the pistol build all done. Put the final touches to it the other day with the Palmetto State upper, key mod, 7.5 inches, 8.5 inch barrel, standard bird cage, Spikes Tactical lower kit, Anderson lower, and a SIG brace that was given to me 2 or 3 years ago, I think it was, when I first started this build by Jerry, Crazy 45 Cat. And I just put this old Tasco Pro Point on it, red dot, just to get her through. And I actually took the bolt carrier group out of my AR to try this thing out here when we get to the range to see how she works. So we got her done. Hopefully she'll work good. Got 3 different mags. Got the military, got a Magpul, and we got one of the amends. We're going to try 3 different mags. Right now we got 5 in each to try them out. Let's make sure there ain't no complications before we load them all the way up. When we get out to the range, we will give her a shot. First shot. Factories or reloads. home from the range, as you saw in the footage. She shot flawlessly. It handled the P mags, locked open. The Amend 2 had a couple P mags. The factory, service metal mag. It's an old one. It didn't really release good, as you've seen in the video. I really had a hard time getting it out, so I don't know what the problem with that was. The red dot, a total failure, total bust. This thing would not, I don't know if something happened to it, but you heard the old proverbial, can't hit the broadside of a barn. That's the way it was with this thing. But it never had a glitch. It never misfired. I shot mostly Tula in through it. Shot some of my reloads through it. And it never ceased to fail. But I really like these iron sights. That's probably what I'm going to keep on it rather than put a red dot on it. These, I don't know how you can see through that, called diamond sights. And they are really, really a nice sight. So, first rounds are through it. The pad here on Sig Brace, I'm not so sure. I can give it a little bit more time, but it just didn't feel comfortable to on the side of my face and stuff. Now I could shoulder it, but I didn't want to do that. Not that it is illegal, but I just didn't want to. I want to get the habit of using it on the side of my cheek. Seemed like it, because you never know when they decide that it's illegal again. But anyway, yeah, I'm really happy with it. Hope you enjoy the footage. And like I said, she handled great. I'm really happy with it. Don't want to make this video too long. So with that, we're going to say thanks for watching. God bless America and our armed forces past and present. Pray for those folks in Las Vegas that lost their loved ones and that are wounded. Another tragedy. Thanks again.